You know that feeling, the alarm goes off, and before you even open your eyes, your brain starts a tally of everything you are already behind on. You're in your 30s, you're exhausted, and you're looking at your phone, seeing aesthetic morning routines involving green juice and a trio 3-mile run. For you, you're just trying to figure out if you have enough spoons to get to the bathroom. If you woke up today and the mere thought of starting the day feels like a physical weight on your shoulders, I want you to know that it's okay to do the bare minimum. Today isn't about winning. Today is just about keeping the lights on. I'm Edwina. If life feels heavy and you're tired of being strong, this space is for you. Welcome home. Let's figure out how to survive the next hour together. I used to think that if I didn't have a productive morning, the whole day was a write-off. I'd wake up late, feel that immediate rush of shame, and then just stay in bed because I'd already failed. I remember one Tuesday, I had 0 spoons left. For those of you who don't know the spoon theory, the idea that we start each day with a certain number of units of energy, spoons. Most people have unlimited drawer, but when you're dealing with burnout, depression, or just a heavy season of life, you might wake up with only 3. That morning, I had 1 spoon, just 1. I spent 45 minutes beating myself up because I couldn't do the right things. I finally realized shame is the biggest energy drain of all. So I decided to stop trying to have a good morning. I started having a bare minimum morning. And honestly, it saved me. If you are at 0 spoons today, here's your roadmap. No pressure, no guilt. Step 1, the horizontal hydration. Don't get up yet. Reach for the water on your nightstand. If it's been there for 2 days, that's fine too. Take just 3 sips. It tells your nervous system we are taking care of the machinery. Step 2, the sensory reset. If a shower feels like a marathon, don't do it. Take a washcloth, get it wet. either warm or cold, whatever feels less intrusive. And just wipe your face. If you can brush your teeth, great. If you can only use mouthwash, that's a win too. We are just clearing away the sleep of yesterday. Step 3, the uniform change. Take off your pajamas. You don't have to put on real clothes. Put on your day pajamas. They're a clean leggings or a fresh oversized tee. The act of changing tells your brain that the rest phase is over and the exist phase has begun. Step 4, the low friction fuel. Forget the cooked breakfast. Eat a piece of toast, a protein bar, or even just a handful of nuts. We aren't looking for a gourmet experience. We're looking for fuel so your brain stops fogging up. The hardest part of the bare minimum isn't the tax. It's the mental work of being okay with it. We feel like we owe the world our best every single day. But you don't. You are allowed to be functional instead of fabulous. If all you did today was change your socks and eat a piece of fruit, you have successfully navigated a 0-spoon morning. That is victory. Stop comparing your survival mode to someone else's success mode. You're doing what you can with what you have. And in your 30s, sometimes that is the most heroic thing you can do. I want us to normalize the unaesthetic morning. In the comments, tell me one bare minimum thing you did to take care of yourself. Did you finally open the curtains? Did you make the bed, even though you are getting back in it? Write it down. No achievement is too small for this space. If you're tired of the hustle and just want a place where it's okay to be human, hit subscribe. We are building a community that values the person, not the output. Take it one spoon at a time today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.